to Call Clutter Fairy, where I help you get clutter-free so that you can live stress-free. This week's video, Domino, say hi. Come here, buddy. Come say hi. Come here. Come here. Domino says hi. This week's video is going to be a little bit different. I had been working on a couple of different ideas. You want to be on camera? Say hi. Look over here. Say hi. I had planned out a couple of different ideas for you about some divider sets that I've been making. So I've got foam core everywhere in my garage, and I'm working on how to get that put together for you. But you know, I apologize. Life, I've said this before in videos, likes to throw curveballs. And when it does, sometimes I am set up to absolutely roll through it and apply my own tips. And then other times I get such big curveballs that it actually knocks me out of the game for a little bit. And that's where I'm at right now. I don't want to share a lot of the ugly details. Suffice to say that I've got a lot on my plate and I am doing my best to get through it. But I'm here right now because your comments, every time one of you subscribe, I get a cute little pop-up, which it's stupid, but that sound just makes me so happy because it tells me that pushing through is a validated reason. And every time one of you comments, you guys, I am learning just as much from you as you're commenting that I'm helping you. So your feedback is fantastic. And I love seeing how you say things like, oh, I'm going to try your tip on this. Here's what I do. And I love that feedback. I want to put together a video of your amazing suggestions and tips on how you push through things when you're not feeling well, how you cope when you're depressed, how you've struggled through just having too much or living with a family who might not be supporting you in your endeavor to be less cluttered and more organized. You guys are just a wealth of information, and it is absolutely one of the motivating things that's getting me to still come out here and do videos for you. So I want to thank you for that. I also want to let you know that videos might be sporadic for a couple of weeks. I am going to do my very, very best to get through life and still maintain my business and still maintain my family and still keep you guys as a priority, because I definitely love working on YouTube. I love getting, like I said, the interaction from you has just really opened up a whole avenue in my life that has enhanced it in ways I couldn't imagine. So thank you. And thank you in advance for your patience. If you're brand new to my channel, this is not my normal. I apologize. Please check out one of my other videos. But for those of you who have been following me, I just want to say I'm going to get through this. And I'll probably talk about some of the things that are happening once I figure out where life is going to land. But in the meantime, don't give up on me, and I will see you very soon. Thanks.